Hey guys, today I'm going to be attempting to restore this Meidong speaker in which the auxiliary port it just caved right into. As you can see, there's just nothing in there, and you can hear it rattling around inside. Well, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is peel off this rubber cover that the buttons are under, and there's 3 screws in each corner. Now, I'm going to peel off the bottom feet where there's 2 screws under each. Now that we've unscrewed all the screws, we should be able to push the insides right out. And here's the auxiliary port. It was just laying in there and fell out when I moved the board. Now, let's try and solder it back on. Well, now that it's done, I'll have to give it a try and see if it still works. That's a good sign that the speaker's still working. I'm gonna pull up my iPod 4th Gen and see if I can play any music off of it. It seems to be working great. It's time to start reassembly. Now I have to peel off the rubber on the other side because I don't feel like unscrewing the part that I just screwed back in. I think it'll just be easier to glue this back on. I'm just going to put some super glue around on the top so that it'll stick on. I'm also going to add some baking soda because that makes the super glue adhere fast. Now, I'm going to wipe off the whole speaker because there's baking soda all over it. Now, it's time to put the final piece on, the little rubber flap that covers both of the ports. And now, we're done. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.